Any strategic business decision a telecom operator makes is gated by the capabilities of the access network. Hence, an access transformation plan that serves the needs of all stakeholders is the most critical contributing factor to success. Access network architectures are unique in their design. This makes the planning process different from any other part of the network. The APJ Access Network Transformation Toolset is designed from the ground up to deal with the complexity of the access-specific transformation rules. It provides a collaboration environment for all stakeholders to seamlessly work together to create the most suitable access transformation plan. Telecom operators are spending roughly 15 to 20% of their revenue, amounting to billions of dollars, every year on network infrastructure, with up to 90% of this investment going towards access network upgrades. It becomes incredibly important to plan access network transformations carefully and make every dollar count. The need for continuous investment in access networks is driven by demand growth, competition, and corporate strategic direction. Historically, per-subscriber demand has been growing between 35 and 50% per year, and there is no indication that it is slowing down anytime soon. While growth is a significant driver for access network upgrades, it is certainly not the only one. Competitive moves by established or new players can suddenly change plans. Remember how the whole industry reacted when Google reset the consumer expectations by making 1 gigabit to the home the new normal. Finally, product and service roadmaps, combined with deployment and operational decisions, can trigger upgrades that go far beyond demand growth and competitive response needs. Access network transformation planning is becoming exponentially more complex. Brownfield transformation is only part of the overall picture. The increased importance of onboarding competitive greenfield areas and adding new lines of business forces service providers to move from a siloed planning approach to a fully integrated methodology. Gone are the days of single-access technology service providers. In an aggressive move towards becoming connectivity providers, service providers embrace the full gamut of access technologies, each with their own planning intricacies. On top of all these elements, multiple organizations have a direct stake in the access plan. In this complex environment, planners are spending most of their time in the mechanics of creating an analysis framework for a specific transformation context. They have little time left to strategize and explore alternatives, leaving plenty of upgrade paths unexplored. It is impossible to find the best path to your destination if only part of the map is visible. Planners need help, and APJ is just what they need. Transformation planning is a process to identify what actions need to be performed on your network to safeguard your short-term and long-term corporate goals. As a result, the process will give you insights in the long-term network roadmap, complemented with detailed implementation guidelines for short-term actions. The long-term vision is typically 5 to 10 years, while the short-term horizon is next 4 to 6 quarters. For the long term, the transformation planning process will address the roadmap vision in terms of deployment priorities, resource needs, and investment goals. The implementation guidelines need to be designed to satisfy the short-term needs, while fitting into the long-term roadmap. The plan should avoid regrettable investment, with a careful trade-off between current needs and future strategic vision. These short-term actions include the build-out of new network expansion areas as well as necessary changes to the brownfield network. Each group of stakeholders has a set of requirements that need to be accommodated by the plan and expects to gain domain-specific insights, helping them to make or validate strategic decisions. Looking at access planning in this new context pushes it far beyond the realm of simple demand growth prediction and technology upgrade evaluation. It becomes critical to be able to mind map your complete environment as inputs to the plan, rely on purposely built algorithms to absorb the complexity, and create sufficient output details to generate all the required domain-specific insights. The overall plan requires expertise across all domains, and no group can be expected to know it all. APJ provides the means for experts from different domains to collaborate on common solutions, each providing or tuning the inputs in their domain of expertise. APJ unique planning methodology and software is specifically developed to streamline the access network planning process and remove time spent on simple mechanics. APJ allows you to map your specific access environment, rollout strategies, business rules, and constraints through an intuitive GUI or via open interfaces. One setup, modeling a specific transformation plan, is a simple point-and-click exercise, making no problem too small or too big to analyze. With the literal click of a button, APJ will take care of all the calculation mechanics at the individual network element level. As an example, a complex 10-year, quarterly plan for a 20,000 node access network will take less than 60 seconds to process. Whether you are planning for a handful of nodes over a year or many thousands of nodes over 10 years, all this is done in a matter of minutes, not weeks or months. You can quickly analyze the results using a rich set of prepackaged visualization templates, or export them to other tools for further processing. The integrated visualization templates in APJ are designed to give you immediate insights into the plan, with all the necessary details on footprint evolution, upgrade actions, construction, cost and resources, and so much more. While the value of APJ is most apparent when doing enterprise-level integrated long-term transformation planning, its value for small use cases is equally important, as it saves a significant amount of time, and more importantly guarantees consistency between use cases. Finally, making plan changes is a breeze. Simply adjust your scenario assumptions and rerun the scenarios till you have the right plan ready to execute. With APJ, the complexity and amount of use cases you can analyze is no longer limited. The APJ-Enterprise solution is geared towards a multi-user, multi-organizational environment, where different teams are responsible for different parts of the plan. It provides the power of APJ network transformation methodology in a collaborative environment. The centralized server provides the core data repositories, calculation, and enterprise-level management. The centralized data repository enables controlled sharing of information between user and client application. The solution includes an ever-growing set of lightweight clients, each geared to a specific set of tasks or a specific user domain. Contact First Principles Innovations for further details, or to schedule a live demo of the APJ Enterprise product suite.